Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need to act now. Verify your PC meets Windows 11 requirements, CPU, TPM2, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, so upgrades won't fail. Once done, back up everything to an external drive or cloud. Make a system image to recover quickly. Make sure you have or create a Microsoft account and check your current Windows edition and activation state, because that determines upgrade eligibility and which low-cost license routes will actually work for you. Now you compare options. Education discounts and student pricing often offer the best savings, so check with your school first. OEM keys are usually cheaper, often $10, $70, but remember they tie to hardware. Retail keys are pricier yet transferable. Once you find a reputable seller, verify the license supports digital entitlement so activation links to your Microsoft account. You should also confirm whether the key is region-locked or limited. This prevents surprises during activation and keeps your upgrade legal and stable. Finish by redeeming and activating. Go to Settings Update and Security Activation, enter your key, or sign in to link a digital license to your Microsoft account. Choose a clean install or in-place upgrade depending on your backup and preference. Update drivers and BIOS before proceeding to avoid compatibility hiccups. If activation fails, re-enter the key, run SLMGR commands to refresh activation, and make sure hardware changes haven't invalidated an OEM key. If needed, contact Microsoft support to resolve a digital license transfer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.